Everyone thinks the best-selling airless paint sprayer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, HomeRite Super Finish Max. The HomeRite Super Finish Max HVLP paint sprayer, priced at just $63.17. What caught my eye was its versatility for countless DIY projects, whether it's painting fences or furniture. If you want an affordable tool to tackle a variety of jobs, this is worth a serious look. This paint sprayer features a powerful 450-watt motor that sprays everything from chalk paints to stains with ease. The adjustable settings let you switch between horizontal, vertical, or round spray patterns, so you can customize your approach for any project. It comes with 3 brass spray tips, each designed for different paint types, ensuring you get the perfect finish without overspray. With over 2,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that many DIY enthusiasts trust this tool. Now, some users have mentioned that the unit can feel a bit bulky after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, for those tackling larger projects, the power and performance far outweigh the weight issue. If you're just doing a quick touch-up, it might not be a deal breaker, but heavier projects will benefit from that power. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking to tackle multiple projects without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight sprayer for quick jobs. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the weight of the HomeRite bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Vavkura Paint Sprayer. The Vavkura Paint Sprayer, which comes in at $108.50. I was intrigued by its 1,000-watt motor and the promise of efficiency on large surfaces. If you're looking for something to handle big projects quickly, this might catch your attention. The 1,400 milliliter tank allows you to cover up to 45 square meters in just 15 minutes, which is impressive for those larger jobs. You get 6 interchangeable copper nozzles, providing flexibility for everything from detailed furniture work to wide wall coverage. The built-in LED light is a nice touch, especially when you're working in dimly lit areas. This sprayer has a solid following, with over 800 units sold recently, showing a lot of people are getting on board with it. Now, some users pointed out that the cleaning process can be a bit tedious. Here's the thing though, while it may take extra time to clean, the powerful performance and excellent finish you get make it worth the effort. If you're dedicated to your projects, it's a small price to pay for quality. This is a great fit if you're a homeowner who wants to speed up painting tasks. But if you're looking for a quick, clean option, you might want to keep searching for something easier to maintain. Overall, it still delivers strong performance for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling tough jobs.
Product number 3, Jiffent 22-piece Airless Paint Sprayer Kit. The Jiffent 22-piece Airless Paint Sprayer Gun Kit, priced at $59.99. What caught my attention was the comprehensive kit that comes with all the accessories you need. If you want everything in one package for ease of use, this one deserves a closer look. This kit includes a high-pressure hose, 6 spray tips, and 4 extension rods, making it adaptable to various projects, both big and small. The 360-degree rotation spray guide is particularly handy for reaching edges or tight spots. The materials are durable, featuring stainless steel and aluminum, which means you won't have to worry about wear and tear. Plus, the reversible design of the spray tips makes cleaning a breeze. With over 500 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among DIYers. However, some users have mentioned that the instructions for assembly can be a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial setup, the functionality and results are well worth it. If you're someone who craves simplicity, it might be a slight annoyance, but it doesn't detract from its overall value. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a complete kit to jumpstart your painting projects. But if you prefer a straightforward tool with minimal setup, you might want to consider other options. For the price, it's a solid investment for a complete solution. Now, if the complexity of the Jiffent kit seems daunting, the next product simplifies things even further.
Product number 4, Enocraft MaxSpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer, available for $224.99. This caught my eye for its powerful 550-watt motor and the ability to spray latex and acrylic without thinning. If you want a professional-level finish on your home projects, this is definitely worth considering. With a maximum pressure of 3,000 psi and a flow rate of 0.29 GPM, this sprayer can cover large job sites efficiently, drawing directly from a 5-gallon bucket. The setup is user-friendly, taking about 15 minutes for beginners, and cleanup can be done in just 10 minutes with the Flush Ease valve. This product has been well received, with over 300 sold recently, indicating a solid reputation. That said, some users have expressed concerns about its weight. It can be a bit heavy for extended use. But here's the silver lining. The power it delivers is hard to match. If you're only working on small projects, the weight might be an issue, but for larger jobs, it's more than manageable. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or do professional work. However, if you're just looking for a light, quick use tool, this might not be your best bet. It's a worthwhile investment for its capabilities. Now, if the weight of the MaxSpray M1 is a concern, the final product on my list takes a lighter approach.
Product number 5, EnoCraft Neo Airless Paint Sprayer Kit, priced at $144.99. I was drawn to its lightweight design and complete accessory kit. If you want something easy to handle without sacrificing quality, this could be the one for you. Weighing 30% less than many competitors, it's designed for portability without compromising on performance. The kit includes everything you need to start painting right out of the box, including a 12-inch leak-proof tip extension and cleaning kit. This sprayer is user-friendly and doesn't require pre-thinning, making it a good choice for beginners. With over 200 sold recently, it's clearly resonating with first-time painters. Now, some users have mentioned that the plastic components can feel less durable. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual user or just starting out, the lighter weight is a significant advantage, and the performance it delivers is still top-notch. This is perfect for you if you're new to painting and want a reliable, easy-to-use tool. Skip this if you're a professional looking for heavy-duty equipment. It's a great value for beginners and casual users alike.
We covered 5 great airless paint sprayers. The HomeRite Super Finish Max is budget-friendly and versatile, while the Vavcura offers efficient coverage for large projects. The DryFin kit provides a comprehensive solution, and the EnoCraft MaxSpray M1 delivers professional results with power. Finally, the EnoCraft Neo is perfect for beginners. Each has its strengths, so choose one that fits your needs best.